Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive in Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, sort through your personal files and delete any items you are not using. You can do this by clicking the item and then pressing Shift Delete to permanently delete it. In this PC, double click your C drive to open it. Scroll down and select Windows. Double click to open it. In the Windows folder, scroll down to Software Distribution, then double click to open it. Double click Download. Select everything here by pressing Ctrl A, then press Shift Delete. Then click Yes. This might take a while, so ensure that no other applications are running in the background. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Run. In the search bar here, type WS Reset, then click OK. This clears the Windows Store cache and frees up a bit more disk space. Click the Windows icon, then type Disk Cleanup. Click this to open it. In this window, we can select items to delete by clicking these checkboxes. Once you've selected the items you want to delete, click OK and click this. Click the Windows icon, then type Add or Remove Programs. Open this up. Scroll down this list here and look for any applications that you do not use frequently. Click the three dots at the right, then select Uninstall to remove them. This will help free up space on your C drive. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Run. In the search bar, type temp and press Enter. In this folder here, press Ctrl A to select everything, then press Shift Delete. Hit Enter. If you get this message, don't worry, simply click this here, then press Skip. Once that's done, right-click the Windows icon once more, click Run, then in the search bar, type %temp%, then hit Enter. You may be asked for administrator access, just hit Enter. In this folder, press Ctrl A once more, then press Shift Delete, then hit Enter to confirm. Once again, if this message pops up, click this here, then click Skip. Click the Windows icon, then type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Click this to open it. On this page, ensure that your C drive is selected. If you have a hard drive, Windows will perform a defragmentation. As you can see, I have an SSD, so instead the trim operation will be executed. Once your drive is selected, click Optimize. If you want this operation to run automatically every few days, click this button. I'm going to leave it like this because I like doing things manually. Once it's done, close this page. Click the File Explorer icon down here and go to this PC. Right-click your C drive, then select Properties. If you want more space, you can click this button here. Please keep in mind that compressing your drive will negatively affect the performance of your system. I'm going to leave this unchecked, but if you decide to change the settings, click this, hit Apply, then hit OK. Click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Select Run as administrator. Type in this command to the command prompt window, then hit Enter. This turns off the hibernation feature and deletes hiberfield.sys, which is a large system file used for hibernation. If you ever want to turn this feature on again, simply type in this command, then hit Enter. In order to avoid system instability, avoid deleting any files you are unfamiliar with. Also, if you're not comfortable doing a deep dive to clean your C drive, consider turning on storage sense. Here's how to do this. Click the Windows icon, then type Storage Settings. Click this to open it up. Down here, ensure that Storage Sense is turned on by clicking this button here. This will delete temporary files automatically every few days. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.